अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं केरला बॉइल्ड राइस। इसके लिए हमें चाहिए हाफ kg केरला रेड बॉइल्ड राइस, मटा राइस, short grain. If you can see the packet at the back, this is what the rice looks like. I'm going to be cooking this rice in this pot. Fill it 3/4 with water. Let the water boil nicely and then we will add the rice. Once the water starts boiling, add the rice carefully. Water is very hot and let it cook till 3/4 done. Add salt. Add 1 teaspoon extra salt. I've added 3 teaspoons of salt. Once the rice is cooked 80%, I'm going to be transferring this container to another thermal cooker. You can even cook boiled rice in your pressure cooker. This is a thermal cooker which I have used. You just need to keep the pot within it and cover and leave it for 45 minutes. Using a pressure cooker to cook the rice, cook for 4 whistles, add more cold water and strain. The rice is now 75% done. You can switch off the flame, cover with the lid and shift it to the thermal cookware. After 45 minutes to an hour, open the lid and check whether the rice is done. You can see that the rice is perfectly done. You can use a strainer or you can just strain like this. Once all the congee water drains out, now cover and keep the rice container back into the thermalware. The food stays warm till it is time to serve. Rice is now ready. Do try it out either in the cooker or in the pot. Thank you for watching.